this is Cody with Statewide Equipment again, down here in Parowan, Utah, to show you our KIOTI CK3520 tractor. On these CK3520s, we have a front loader installed. You have quick attaches to switch your implements. These tractors have a hydrostatic transmission with high, medium, and low ranges. They are also four-wheel drive with a rear locking disc. All KIOTI tractors come with your rear 3-point hitch. This one's a 35 horsepower PTO. These tractors are great for your small acreage, hobby farms, doing whatever you need to get done around your property. Good thing about these subcompact tractors is the endless possibilities of use. You can put flail mowers, brush mowers, augers, whatever you want on the front, backhoe attachments on the back. These will single-handedly take care of every chore you may have. Come on down to Statewide Equipment in Parowan, Utah, and we'll get you set up with all of your equipment needs, get you taken care of.